share the joy with me of a finished project. This will be a flip through of my 5 supplies in 5 minutes art journal. And in this flip through, this walk through the pages, I will be talking about the artwork that's in this cute little book. I did a previous flip through that was unnarrated, so you could check that out too. The video that I'll be doing after this one is one in which I describe the things that I learned, the personal growth that came out of doing 2 of these mini journals with the 5-minute time limit and limited supplies. I really got a lot out of them and they were very enriching for me. So let's take a look. So the cover has a nice big symbol of the number 5 on it. And since there was no title there, I added a little tag with the title on it. Inside, what I really love about this journal is how many different materials, techniques, processes, tools I got to use on these cute little pages. It's jam-packed with goodies. On these 2 pages, I really like the glitter cardstock underneath the boldness of the black heavy body acrylic stencil. Here I've got some different materials such as a star-shaped playing card, wallpaper, and I love found word poetry. Just flipping through a magazine or something with the printed words on it, a book, cutting them out and finding meaning out of assembling them into a new order together. This page actually corresponds with this page. They both have a little sticky note snowflake underneath them. This one just happens to be painted on top of. And I liked relating that same supply in 2 different ways. I love doing interactive features in a book, such as little pockets and tags, adding fibers and fun textures like the mica flakes. It just adds to the textural elements of the pages. Folding over a page, so there's pages with different sizes. Doing some things that are kind of sketchbook-like, and some things that have lettering or words in them. This one I even did some printing out on some labels from my label maker. This page I adore. I would love to do this combination of materials into a bigger project. There are some acrylic paints in there. There's a shimmery, that sheen is from an interference paint, and then on top of it with the ink droppers, I dropped some ink and some high flow acrylics. I really like that combination of materials. This was fun to split up the page and have it be like a window seeing through into what's behind it. Separating one picture, spreading it out into a collage, and then seeing this page behind there. Watercolors, they are beautiful. I like these 2 side by side. I like the combination of a couple different types of watercolors, including the pearlescent ones by Paul Rubens that also have that nice reflective shimmery metallic look to them. Using washi tape as a resist to get these nice patterns and adding fibers. It just makes the book fun with different textures of papers. This page, this is something I would like to do more of also. That's where the oil pastels are underneath the bright colors. The black is acrylic paint, and then just a quick scratch art, basically, etching into there to reveal the color underneath. And again, altering the size, the shape of the page to make it have variety. Using the non-dominant hand, activating a different part of the brain while drawing with the hand I'm not used to. Adding some scrapbook elements in here with photographs, and I love a little beadwork that just adds treasures. It's like you're finding treasures when you turn each page. I'm happy about the layering of the mandala, the scrapbook papers, and the collaging in here. Some more of the pearlescent paint, just having fun playing with supplies, doing a little bit of this and a little bit of that, and seeing what it comes out to be. This page I'm really satisfied with. This is the one where it had smeared because I put a spray over it, a fixative that made the alcohol ink run, and so I had to redo this page. This page actually has 2 video lessons on it. Every page in this book has 1 video lesson. Check them out on my channel here. And this one has 2 because I fixed it. And I like what I added on top. I think it looks great. So some pages are more complex, took more time, and some pages were really fast. These were some new papers that I was exploring and just tried out a quick junk journal type of collage. Printmaking. You can even add printmaking, and I have the styrofoam printing plate in here to be a cross on this spread. Nice, easy, simple, fun to do, striking. Doodling, layering, having fun, playing with printmaking of circles and stamps over here. I love trying it all. And I hope that you've enjoyed sharing these lessons with me too. I'd love to hear what you've been creating or what my lessons have inspired you to do. Drop a note in the comments to this video. Glitter, gotta put a little bit of sparkle here and there. Same thing on this page. It has the sparkly embossing powders. And then some tags, another interactive element. And also these tags are describing what this project was about. So when I look back on it, I can remember what I was doing and what the purpose was of this 5-minute and 5 supply idea. This page also had a little mishap. When I was using the heat gun with some finishing touches, the plastic of the envelope melted and curled up. I had to cut it away. I like it even better when I added this vellum in there. So art has a lot of problem solving, visual problem solving. That's what I like to think of as one of the definitions or one of the elements of art. And then the back page, I tried a new supply here, which was the bingo daubers in, they called it glitter, but it's like a iridescent sheen to them also. So this was just a fun little book that I got very inexpensive at a discount store. And then I did my own thing to it. I altered it, I played with it, I chose 5 supplies in 5 minutes, and I shared it with you. I hope that you've had as much fun watching this as I have had making this, and check out that next video when I will be sharing the tidbits and the nuggets of wisdom that I learned through this creative process. I'm Kathleen Arola-Johnson at Creative Solace Studios.